Good morning guys! For today's video, pupunta kami sa Ocean Park and dun magse-celebrate yung aking pamangkin ng kanyang 7th birthday. And dun na rin kami magstay ng isang gabi. Nag-book kami sa Shell Residence Tower D. Ayan. Samahan nyo kami! Finally, after almost 5 hours ng biyahe, ayan, nandito na kami sa Ocean Park. Thank you Lord, safe yung biyahe namin. First time ko magbiyahe dito. Nandito na kami guys sa Ocean Park. Ayan, nakapark kami dito sa parking nila. May fee na 40 pesos. Ayan, kakain muna kami dito sa sasakyan bago kami pumasok.
Uy!
Ito ang birthday celebrant. Ayan, aking pamangkin.
Papangit. Kain na po kayo. Teka nga yung aking ano ba?
Punta na kami sa Ocean Park, sa entrance.
Ate baby, ano yung slide?
Ocean Park entrance.
Ocean Park entrance.
Yes.
Yes. Bawal pala dyan mag-hindi. Guys, sa swimming pool. Wow, that is beautiful.
Ayan mga kasama ko.
Ikanin!
Ay, hala ka. Saan kaya si Kusoy?
Ikanin! Saan si Kusoy?
Papunta na po dito. Sige,
Ay, bawal!
sige, doon kayo dali. Nag-book kami ng ticket sa Klook. 690 ang isa. Ayan, papakita na lang namin yung voucher. Dito anak. Wait lang natin si Kuya Kusoy anak. Hotel entrance yan. Present na lang namin itong mga box. JJ, wait lang, Jarel! Dito na lang po ito papakita. Wait lang. JJ, wait lang. Ay, dito pala.
Check na lang po ako ng bag. Ilan kayo, ma'am?
10 po. 4 na bata ay lahat.
May 4:30 show tayo ng sila yun.
Sila, 12:30. Anong kasunod po? Anong oras ang kasunod niya? 4:30 na ang kasunod. Unahin na muna natin. 12:30, sila yun. Kasi 4:30 na ang kasunod para pagka ano. Ay, dito na tayo. Wow, ang galing. Dito anak, sila yun. Yun, doon baby. Ayun, dali, may nakaupo na. Ayan, dito muna kami sa Sea Lion. 12:30 yung show nila. Ang kasunod nun ay 4:30 na. Kaya ito na muna yung uunahin namin. Very hot.
If you say we're looking to two young children volunteers, stand up really loud. Hey, where are you?
Doon sa malilom. Doon ma, sa ano? Hindi, doon sa malapit-lapit ko, Soy. Doon sa gitna, maganda-ganda sa gitna. Dito ma, doon. Meron pa doon sa gitna, oh. Opo. Dito, meron dito. Sabi ni Mana, nanonood lang pala. Dito tayo, doon sa taas.
Hindi pa nadalang gamot.
Nasaan ang gamot?
Nakalimutan.
Pabalik na rin kayo bukas pa. Bukas pa. Laki ng snake, anak. Yan mo, kung ano ang gawin niya. Nahulaan ni Dad.
The morning's featured birds are different. Let's hear for Rocky. Rocky! Rocky! We usually feel the feet, not salt and minerals on top of our rear back. And there you go, you're the round of the classy victory winner.
Ay, dinunik. Nakawala na ng 500.
Before you go, I have a question for you. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds? Well, if you know your money will go a long way and you're very cool, you may now go back to your seat.
Ay, nagkaiyak ako. At parang 500. Iyak pa.
Ayun na, Papa! Contact from the ruling side!
Abay.
Ano ba? One more? Sir, excuse me, are you okay? You look so sad. Sir, we're just kidding to open the show. Please come back to your restaurant and we will give your money back. Sir, why are you saying something? Before Buddy gives your money back, Buddy wants to give your kids. Is that okay? Okay, sir, please come down here. Okay, girl, please come over here, look at the camera and offer your keys. One more.
Sabay tinukaan.
Power on your head. Please open your palm. Look at the camera and smile. And now, sir, there is your money. Another lucky guess. Ladies and gentlemen, orientation cleaning
Ang dami, ano?
our lucky guys and our home pieces.
Asan sa likod mo, ano?
Here at the Manila Park, building center is home. We often actually take care of our friends in the sea, but we're also born in land and air as well. Now guys, who knows who we are? Introduce Reyes and Recycle. We're just going here to another word once again, and we will show us.
As you can see, their body is covered with a thick coat of short coarse hair, and their whiskers help the sea lion sense of touch. They contain dirt, fibers, which make them sensitive. Wow, nice line. Hey! They may also use their whiskers to aid and navigation, or to detect vibration from playing the water. And their
Ano
coat
ka?
give them a good sense of feeling, both above and below the water surface. Sea lions are made from wind mammals that see both above and underwater. They have keen eyesight, but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit waters close to shore, plant rotting in cave boats, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily cave rocky cliffs. Well, check these out. Straight from front rivers. Now, let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Yeti, the smartest. Sea lions generally move at around 11 miles per hour, using the rowing movement of their front livers. While their back livers are spread out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder or steering. And that is the normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you, Yeti and Maria. But when they keep their strength or saving from predators, they can achieve bird feet up too. Ready, Sandra? 25 miles per hour. That is so fast. Our run of for Sandra. Let's see that. Wow, nice, I heard. And another one. She deserves it. Now, here's an interesting story about the sea lion. Did you know that the US Navy has trained a few of them to take part in their special operations? Yeah, that's right. So I our sea lion is salute. We get out of three. Everybody please salute and make this one loud. Alright guys, are you ready? Hey guys, I can hear you. Are you ready? Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3. Salute everybody. Thank you so much. Well, sea lions are also used to search and need proper equipment from the water. It's too hard. Okay, friends, swimmers, the read. Go ahead and get ready, sea lion friends. And they got it. Our round of Ferdinand and Sandra. Great job, ladies. And another one. They have been for that. So, winners, what next? The ball. How do you think they get the ball? It's a ball highlight. Very good, lady. Go, Yeti.
Hindi na nakuha.
Okay, one more for Yeti.
Ano ka tapasin?
Now this time, would you love to see a dance number from our sea lifers? Hey guys, where's the energy? Who would you love to see them dance? Well, here, let's go. Let's move it. Look your hands everyone in the world. And now, show them side by side. And the beaver dancing. Into the water volley. With the head. While you complete the Sandra. And round the word we go. Round and round. On the other side, round and round. Okay, ladies, protect that. Boogie, boogie. Boogie, boogie. Shake, shake, shake. Our favorite part, boogie shaking. Shake those booties. Go there, Jerry. Yes, wow. And keep on rolling. Okay, ladies, protect that. Yeah, keep us around. Break your cover up because this is the best part. Say again. Arriba. And for the beat, hey. Stay in. Let's go. Yeehaw. Rolling across the sea line dress and the letters after for the big dance number. Easy.
Aba, hindi. Ano, nilagay agad? Nailagay agad? Ay, Eric, ano kami, Bibi? Teka lang, Bibi. Video natin.
Ayo, spider, dali, may spider.
Teka lang, Bibi.
Gusto niya umano sa akin. Allah naman.
Hindi, ala.
Mama. Ganun yung sabi ni Kuya ko. Mama, tingnan mo ito. Ay, there's Ma! Yan na may nakita ko. Mama! Mama, may
Laki. Ito pa, puti.
Ano, wala yung face niya. Ma, yung face niya wala.
Ay, no, ayan na. Hindi nalilinis. Ano kayo?
Kasi may pork chop.
Meron yan? Ay, iguana.
Super laki mo, te. Grabe laki yan.
Gumalaw?
Grabe laki.
Anak, tingin ka dito sa akin. kasama mama.
Ma, pwede ba ihawak na
Sampu po. JJ, wait lang JJ.
lang.
Tabingin mo mag-picture si mother.
Nasaan pampakain mo yun?
Bibigyan po sila.
Opo lang, gusto ko.
Alam, baka matukahin na. Alam. Asa si Pebi? Ayan na, ayan na. Dapat, hindi ka kita up, JJ. Ayan. Bilingin. Lubalo. Si Jaira. Ay, siya na una. Talagang presentable lagi na yun.
Tago ay
Bago na si Jaren.
Nasa ilalim mo, ay nasa
Mabait naman, takot naman eh. Yabang. Ha? Cebu. Kainin ka dyan. Ano yan? Walu-walo? Eh, bakit di naalis na kaganyan lang? Ano yan? Shark's Fin. Ay, ang laki na.
Saan siya nakasabit? Ay, no, JJ, may seahorse na black. Nakasabit siya dito.
Madami, anak ka.
Nakasabit. Sa ano?
Ayun po, sa bakal.
Bakit sa bakal?
Pwede ka maging vegetarian.
Ocean Park. Bakit? Ocean Park na eh. Nagala.
Gigi, baka malalim anak ka.
Ako muna magtatansya.
Picture mo muna sila. Picture muna, picture.
Hindi pa nag...
Kapag kita ah. Pinari.
Hindi ka yan, anak.
Jaren! Baby! Jaira! Wow! Galing naman ni Jaira! JJ! Go JJ! Ay baka malalim dyan ha!
Patingnan mo. Ma!
Go! Go! Ay, ang babaw. Basahin mo ang ulo mo. Jaira, careful ha. Maano kayo?
Dapat sa siya!
Galing niyo mo ng lumang mo yan ah. Ano naman ano. Kaya nga, hindi binabasa ako ulit. Oh, Jaira, napano ka na? Ha? Dumuduwa. Napano ka?
Ano ganito lang ulit? Kasi tatanggal ko yung tubig.
Okay.
Eh, si JJ ko nakasagot ako siya.
Hindi! Sabay-sabay baby.
Pila po tatlo ah. 1, 2, 3, go!
Hindi wala na ba sa akin? Nakatayo pa rin siya. Sisid! Sisid yun na lang mo eh.
Five, six, magkanto ka.
Dali, wala sisid na.
Kanto ka mo, sisit ka mo na mag-split-split ako.
Sisid na!
Anong oras na po? Sa Juana? Mama! Yan na! Take mo. Okay. Yan na, nasa ba yan? Balloon? Medyo masarap ko. Ano, dito tayo makapag-swimming. Mama, ako makapag-swimming. Yes! Mama! Ngayon pa! Ma! Ayaw mo ng ano ha? Hindi mo lang itong ano. Ma!